Welcome to JH. I started taking Doctor's Best Multivitamin because I wanted an easy way to cover all the key nutrients my body needs. What stood out right away is how complete the formula is, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in meaningful doses. Because apparently, eating an actual vegetable once in a while is just too much to ask of a modern human. It feels like a well-rounded daily support, and after taking it consistently, I noticed a steady boost in energy throughout the day. My focus got a little sharper, and I felt more confident knowing I was filling in those nutritional gaps that my diet, mostly consisting of coffee and regret, might miss. Another thing I appreciate is that it's clean and gentle on the stomach, with no heavy aftertaste or discomfort. It's made by a brand known for quality and transparency, so I'm fine with making it a long-term habit. Plus, it supports my immune health and brain function, which is great because I definitely need all the help I can get in the thinking department. Overall, Doctor's Best has been a reliable supplement that helps me feel healthier and stronger in everyday life.